This is another one that's been selling really well. You guys, I've got so many new sticker books and junk journaling type products that have arrived in the last couple of weeks. This one is called the Art Lovers Sticker Book. This is a nice, super sturdy, nice hardback sticker book, 350 stickers from artists throughout history. So as we start to go through, they're decorated, or excuse me, divided into sections like frills and fringe. All of these great stickers. So the stickers just peel right off like that. And then you also have information next to each art piece. All right. So this is Emma in a purple dress. This is portrait of a young woman. Anyhow, you have lots and lots and lots of more than 350. After you go through the frills, you have at home. So you have just some different pieces of very famous art of, I guess, within the home, around the home. A guy lounging. Oh, you know what? You can tell, right? Degas, Monsieur and Madame, Edward Manet. Anyhow, just a really fun sticker book to work into lots of your different projects. I will absolutely be using these things in some of my junk journaling. There's a section for flora and fauna. So all of your greenery and flowers, city life, bold and brilliant. Oh my goodness, look at that. Anyhow, really fun and nice quality stickers, heaps of hats. So famous pieces of art with people wearing hats, Van Gogh there. Anyhow, so there you go. That one is called the Art Lovers Sticker Book. Um, let's see, Paula. Paula, you know what? Paula, they just released that book bag. Literally, I put it on the website last week and it was gone. I mean, it was gone almost right away. So it's coming back. All right, next up, some really fun products from Pipsticks. All right, Pipsticks. I've carried Pipsticks for a little while and then hadn't carried them for a while. And I started looking at what they'd come out with lately. And I'm like, oh, yeah, I got to bring some of these things back in again. This is the second item that literally sold out the first day I brought it in. I ordered a lot more of these, and these should be back in about a week. So same that we saw with the book bag. Locate this item, or Amy will actually. Oh, thank you, Amy. Amy's been adding all those things in the chat. So this little guy, Amy just linked. It is, or she is linking this sticker book. Amy, this one is actually I think, reusable. I think it's called the reusable sticker book. But what this is, you guys, this is a really boring sticker book. It's plain. Look at that. There's nothing inside of it. This material is exactly the same as this material that the stickers on your sticker sheet sit on. Why this becomes a really fun tool or product is because of this. If you have sticker sheets like this, like I do, right, where you have a lot of the stickers are gone and now you just have all this extra, height, extra bulk, uh, hanging around in your craft room or crafts, wherever you're, storing your craft things. If you take your stickers like this and put them in that sticker book like that, because this material on the pages is the same as this material on the pages, now you've got a spot to put all of your stickers. Okay. So all of Miranda said it's the sticker graveyard, right? Your sticker graveyard, the reusable sticker book. There you go. Thank you, Amy. Amy just linked that in the description box of sorry, in the chat. But anyhow, this is a great spot now for you to just store all your graveyard stickers. But I didn't count the pages. It probably says on the website, but I'm going to say there are probably, I bet there's 30, 40, I don't know, maybe 50 in there. Isn't that awesome? And that is just a little product from Pipsticks on my website. That's a little 4x6 size. So I love that. When I saw these, I'm like, oh my gosh, 100 pages. Holy cow, I way underestimated. There's 100 pages in there, you guys. So you can really start to clean up your stickers. All right, those are coming back in. The next week or so, we'll have those back. Okay, next up, we have some really fun, just little stickers. Let's see. Anchored Memory says these books are so good, you can take the book with you and not have to try and stuff separate sheets in your bag. She said she loves hers. I love that. I love it. I'm really excited about that. That's mine. And I will probably be getting a few others for myself as well. But look at this. These little hearts. I just thought they were so cute. They're little tiny hearts, 26 pieces. You have all of the different colors, two each of all the different colors. And then they have a little gold, kind of a little gold frame around them, if you can see that. These airmail stickers, these are called Airmail Adventure. Let me tell you what these are called. These are called Rainbow Heart Minis. These are called Airmail Adventures. Just so fun. Great for travel uh, in your little traveler's notebooks or mini books or whatever, your planner, whatever it may be. Those are Airmail Adventures. Those have kind of a silver foil. You know it. You know when I saw these. These are all my things too. They're there on the website, but they're all mine too. These are called Happy Camper. Look at all those awesome little campers. And those have kind of a, it looks like a little bit of a, almost like a copper holographic foil accent on them. 28 pieces there. Loved these. These are those retro TVs. It's called Retrovision. Aren't those awesome? Love them, especially when we're doing our lists about our favorite TV shows or favorite movies or whatever we're binge watching on TV. Amy has just included a link in the description box of the video to Pipstick stickers. That's a mouthful. Pipstick stickers. And if you are watching the replay, you can either click on what's new or you can also search by Pipstick and you'll see all the Pipstick products on my website. These guys, I've already opened them from the package, so it would be easier to look at them. There are 5 sheets here, 495 pieces. So the 5 sheets are all of the same, but you guys look at that. All of those numbers for numbering our lists. Aren't those awesome? 5 sheets. And those sheets are, let me just check very quickly. Those sheets are 6 by probably about 7. 6 by 7. 495 pieces in all of those numbers. There's even some punctuation at the bottom. All right. Okay, this one. It's called Sticker the Rainbow. This sticker book has 1,500 plus real life stickers in every color of the rainbow. So again, junk journaling. In my memory planner, I'll be using this too. But you have, when it says real life stickers, so there is a really bright pear, cherry, onion. You have all the reds together. And then you have a little bit of a brighter red. And then you have a little bit more of a, I don't know, cherry-ish red. And then you move into the orange, a little bit of a lighter orange, even more a lighter orange. So what we're seeing is basically 3 sheets per color. But just so fun. The cockatiel, the fried egg, sunny side up. And then moving into the green and the greens and the blues and the blues and the blues and the purples. And then, look at that. Even have a little bit of pink in there. Record player, turntable, browns, gold, silver, black. Oh, balloon letters, more letters, numbers, even pool ball numbers. Those are cute. Pool ball, pool ball. Yes. And then more numbers or letters. All right. So there we go. Sticker the rainbow. You will never not find a sticker that you need because you have all those colors. Last from Pipsticks that I have brought in is a junk journal sticker book. And this is a sticker book that has over 650 super fun decorative stickers. Borders, tags, alphas, your little bead alphas, more TVs, ransom note alphas, borders, more alphas, some guest checks and things like that, film strips, more alphas. A couple of them are repeated. I couldn't really tell. There really isn't a pattern to the repeat. So that's another repeat, but that is a full sticker sheet. And then maybe it's every other one. Oh, it is every other one. So now we have some patterns in there. Anyhow, you'll get a good feel for that. Thumbtacks, some little washi strips, photo corners. You'll get a really good feel for that. with that flip through, and then also looking at it a little bit closer on the website. All right, so that's what we have from Pipsticks.